Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting high-quality game data and preparing your environment. First, grab at least 1,000 replays and label critical events so the network learns context. You want varied ranks and camera settings. Install Python 3.10 with PyTorch and the RL libraries, and set up a CUDA-capable GPU if possible for speed. Once done, extract synchronized frames and concise game state vectors at 60 Hz. Then normalize positions and velocities. This makes training stable and faster, so you now design the neural network and training loop that will generalize. Use a CNN encoder for visual input and add LSTM or transformer layers to capture temporal patterns, because Rocket League depends on short-term memory. Combine discrete action loss with continuous regression for throttle and steering. This mixed loss balances decision-making and fine control. Then train with a curriculum. Start on simple kickoff drills, then progress to full 3v3 scenarios, and inject sensor and opponent noise to improve robustness when real matches start. You deploy the trained model into the bot interface and begin rigorous testing. Run low-latency inference on GPU and validate on practice packs, then scale to scrimmages versus tier-matched bots. Log every failure case so you can iterate. If behavior is jittery or overfitted, make sure to reduce the learning rate and add regularization or dropout, and expand diverse training data. This fixes common stability issues. Finally, keep a retraining cadence, weekly updates, for steady improvement and adaptation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.